Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
5 trucks supposedly conveying solid minerals to a company in Port Harcourt, also transporting these large number of young men who claim to be relocating to Imo State with about 45 motorcycles, creates quite a stir. They were, however, intercepted along Makurdi Lafia Highway at the toll gate by security operatives who acted on a tip-off.
We got information yesterday that these vehicles were heading to Benue State and they had loads of weapons in them. So I asked my men to deploy here and we waited until they showed up in the night. And then the vehicles were apprehended and searched and we found nothing.
We're going to do Okada.
Deputy Governor of the state, Benson Abonu, wasted no time arriving at the scene based on a rumor that the truck was loaded with rifles.
I think the good news is that the whole items were searched. If you look at on the ground here, there's evidence that they were upturned, they were brought down and thoroughly searched. The motorcycles have been searched, the seats were removed and the undercover were all opened. I think the good news is that not one single weapon has been found.
A false alarm? The government and security personnel are not taken lightly.
Of course, we have to check further. What else? Profile them further.
Also, the claim by the young men that they just decided to relocate to a state already ridden by uncertainty raises more suspicions.
So I honestly don't know why they are heading for that place with their motorcycles.